Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about the Kudos for the month of September. Now if you're looking at me like, girl, what is a Kudos? I've never heard of that. Don't worry, I have got your back. So I'm going to show you guys some of the products first, and then I will show you guys how I use these products on a daily basis. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, what is a Kudos, right? So a Kudos is a bunch of products that Younique puts together every month. It's always changing. It changes up every single month. And for the month of September, it is all about the eyes. So for the month of September, you're going to get the Moodstruck Brow Palette. You're going to get an Epic Mascara of your choice, and we'll get to that exciting little tidbit in a minute. You're going to get a brush, which you get to choose which brush you want. There's two different ones to pick from, and you're going to get an eyeliner, and let me tell you, there are so many shades, it is not even funny. So this month's Kudos is completely customizable. Everything that you're going to be getting, you can choose which item it is that you want. So the Moodstruck Brow Palette, for instance, it comes in 3 different shades. Mine is the shade Brunette. This is what it looks like. So you've got a light shade here, a dark shade here, and then you've got 2 highlight shades and a wax. And this little beauty also comes with a mirror right there. Mine's filthy. I never really use the mirror because I'm always sitting in front of my vanity, but it's nice to have for on the go. So this baby right here actually retails for, I believe it's $39. I will leave links to everything in the description box down below, but this is one of the items that you'll be getting in this month's Kudos. And then there are so many colors of eyeliner that you can choose from. It's amazing. Right now I have got the white one and the black one just because those are the colors that I typically use the most. So I'm going to give you a little swatch so you can see what they look like. So these are the white and the black shades. I love Younique eyeliners. I feel like they last a long time. They're really inexpensive. These are $15 a piece, but again, you're going to get them for an even bigger discounted price in this month's Kudos. This is probably my favorite product that I have on my website. This is the Epic Mascara. Now, this right here is actually an amazing mascara, but they, believe it or not, made it even better. So now you can get this mascara in brown, and you can get it in waterproof, which I'll be doing a video using the brown one really soon. It hasn't came yet. I just ordered mine. I'm really excited to try it out because I've never really been one to wear a brown liner, but I've always wanted to for like more natural days. So we're going to be trying it out, and I'm going to try it out with you guys so you can see exactly how it works. And then the last thing you're going to get is going to be your brush of choice. So there's going to be 2 different brushes. One of them is going to be a spoolie slash brow combo. I don't have either one of these brushes just yet. So this is the brush that I typically use to do my brows. So the Younique one is fairly similar to this. That's one of the reasons that I haven't got the Younique brush yet. I already have this one, and until it breaks, I didn't want to purchase another one. But as soon as this one is a goner, I will definitely be purchasing the Younique one. And then the other one actually has like an angled brush on one side, and then it's like a flat liner brush on the other side. I can show you guys what it looks like real quick. So that is the brush right there. This is what the Kudos looks like. So whenever you hop online, you can go to www.youniqueproducts.com/Nikki Yurda, and once you've done that, you can click Kudos, or you can click shop and then go down to Kudos, and then you're going to add the Kudos to your cart, and you can totally customize it from there. It's going to ask what color brow palette you want, what color liner do you want, which brush do you want, and which Epic mascara. So you are going to be getting all of this, let me tell you, all of these products for $68. That is a huge savings. That's a 30% savings right there. So like I said, this brow palette is normally $39. So that's the biggest part of the Kudos anyways. The Epic mascara is normally $24. The liners are normally $15. And the brush is typically $19. I'm pretty sure that's the price on that. Like I said, I don't have that brush, so I'm not 100% positive, but I'm pretty sure that that's what it is. So you're looking at about $97 worth of products, and you're getting it for 68 bucks, which is totally amazing, and they're all really awesome products. I'm going to show you guys just how I personally use these products. I've already got the brow product on, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe one of them off so that I can show you guys how awesome it is. So as you guys know, my brows are pretty much non-existent, but with this palette, that's totally fine. You can create your own and make them as natural or as defined as you want. So typically when I use this palette, I pick up the lightest shade first, and I use that to fill in the whole brow. And I always try to stay in where my natural brow hairs are. So that's it with just the lighter shade, and I didn't use any wax or anything, but when it comes to putting in the darker hair strokes, now I pick up a little bit of the wax first and then dip it into the palette, and then I'm going to come through here and I'm going to start adding in some little hair-like strokes. And then in between, I like to just go ahead and brush it out to evenly disperse the product, and it just helps me, you know, see what I've got going on. Then I like to go back in and I pick up a little bit of the wax and a little bit of the lighter shade, and I'll come through here in the front, just because I don't want the front to be as dark as the tail of the brow. I like for it to have a nice gradient. And then any excess product, I just kind of take the spoolie and run it through the front of the brow. And on my more natural brow days, that is all I do. You can always go back through and carve it with some concealer. I am actually going to use this champagne highlight shade right here, and I'm going to put that right underneath. And this is actually a cream highlight shade, and if you had the dual-ended brush that doesn't have the spoolie, you could totally use that to put the highlight shade on there if you want to. This right here is actually just the cream shadow brush from Unique. That is one of my favorite ways to apply it. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little bit of a shimmer to that highlight, which I think gives your brow a nice lifted look. Alright, now for liner, I don't always use it on the upper and lower lashes. A lot of times I will just take and run it under the upper lashes just to make it look a little bit thicker so that it looks a little bit more natural. And then the last step is going to be the Epic Mascara, and if you guys have been watching my channel for any amount of time, you guys know how I feel about this product. It leaves your lashes curled and defined and so long it is not even funny. Like, I'm not even kidding, guys. You have got to watch this magic. So that is just with one coat of the Epic Mascara, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a major difference in these lashes. Now, I typically leave it at one coat just because I feel like that's all I need on a daily basis, but you can amp this stuff up as much as you want. So before I do the other eye, I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat on the first eye so you guys can see the true difference in the product. Alright, so this is with 2 coats on one eye, and how insane is that mascara? This stuff works so awesome. It has become my absolute favorite mascara, whether it be drugstore, high-end, whatever. I always have a tube of this on hand. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look with this month's Kudos. This is actually how I've been leaving the house a whole lot here lately. I haven't been wearing a whole lot of foundation. Now, sometimes I do still wear foundation, don't get me wrong. I still love to go full glam, still love a full face of makeup, but here lately where it's been so hot, foundation is just not my friend right now, and I've been loving the natural look just with brows and some mascara, and then every now and then I might throw on some bronzer and lip product. It just depends, but for the most part, this is how you will see me out in public right now, except usually in a t-shirt. But yeah, that's this month's Kudos, and I just wanted to share that with you guys before the month was over. That way, if you wanted to get on the ball, you totally could. I will leave the link to purchase the products down in the description box, or if you already have a Unique presenter, go find them and tell them that you want to buy from them. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys have a really awesome day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.